how to fix Bluetooth not working in Windows 10. Hello everybody. If you are having that kind of issue, you may follow up the steps in order to fix that. First thing you can do is hit Windows plus R and open up your run. So just go ahead and open it up, and you may just let me just go ahead and place it in the middle of the screen. And here in the section, you're going to type in services.msc. So just go ahead and type in services.msc and click on OK, and it should open up your services. Now what you can do is from here, go ahead and locate a Bluetooth section and look for the Bluetooth support service option, this one right here, and locate it up and right click on it and head over to properties. Once you head over to properties, what you need to do is from this this services status, if it is start, it has already started, you need to click on stopped and stop it. Similarly, this startup process type, make it automatic. After that, go to the login and make sure this account is checked. After that, click on apply and OK and fix it. Once that is done, you may cross this out, and the next step you can apply is you may just go ahead and open up your device manager. Just go ahead and open it up. And then once you open up your device manager, go over to Bluetooth and locate up your adapter, drop it down. For example, this adapter right here, right click on it and go over to properties. After going over to properties, go over to the details section. And this property section, make sure this is this hardware IDs, and select up your copy of your ID. After that, click on OK, and you need to update it. So go ahead and open up a browser and copy and paste. After that, hit search, and you will be getting the results. You may just go ahead and look out for your adapters, latest version, and go ahead and install the latest version of your adapter. Just update your driver. Once that is done, that should probably fix your issue. Apart from that, you can head over to Windows plus R again, hit run, and type in resident, and click on OK and open up your registry editor. After that, go over to local machine, HKey local machine, drop it down, locate up software from there, drop down software as well. And from here, scroll down and look for Microsoft. Drop down Microsoft and look for this one right here. Scroll down until you reach over to this Windows NT and drop it down and go over the current version, and this opens up. And once you open up this registry editor, you need to look for current version from here as well, and right click on it and modify it, and then make this value 6.3 to 6.2 and click on OK, and that's it. So you may follow up this process in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.